We have a scarf made using Solomon's knots crochet, sometimes also called lover's knots. It's a very simple technique, even though it can look complicated. The way you make it goes a bit differently if you want to make a rectangular piece, like here, with straight sides, or if you want it to be a triangle, like a shawl. So I have separate videos for these two. And on this video we are making one with straight edges. The triangle video is linked to this one. This scarf is made in lovely quality wool by Knit Crate yarn subscription. Please check out the link in the video description for that. The final result depends a lot on the type of yarn you are using and on how long loops you are making. This here has quite long loops, and the yarn is a lovely and soft mix of alpaca and silk, so it would make a lovely soft shawl. But if you make very small loops and use fine thread, you get a very different result. This here yarn is mercerized cotton, and this could even be a table runner or something of that sort. I'm Tuula, and I love things to do with crochet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you could do that now. And then let's get started with the tutorial. Starting with a slip knot and chaining one. And now straight away we start making the long loops. So you stretch the stitch to whatever length you want it to be. And you need to try to get all the loops more or less the same length. Then take the yarn and hold on to the stitches, and we are making a single crochet and then another one, so that you insert the hook between the loop and the other yarn that we pulled there, and a single crochet there, like this. So this holds it in place so that the long loop doesn't start unraveling. And then you do exactly the same again. You pull, take the yarn from there, hold on to this here side especially so that it doesn't escape through the loop, and a single crochet so that the hook goes in between these two, and a single crochet. So now we have two loops, and this is the main stitch. That's what you just all the time repeat. Pull, take a yarn over through the loop, and a single crochet over the other yarn. So this is it, and now you need to make so many loops that this here is as wide as what you want your project to be, but it needs to have an even number of these loops. So it has an even number. Now I have 4. I'll make a couple more before I turn here, and then we are going to turn. And for turning in a piece that's going to be rectangular or square, but one that has straight sides, you always make 3 extra loops. So you need 3 for the turning. Just the same way. 1, 2, and 3. And then you twist the chain and you go into the 3rd single crochet, not counting the one where your hook is at the moment. So 1, 2, 3, and you insert the hook into that there stitch and make a single crochet there. This means that we have like a triangle here where we turned. And then we continue towards the start of the row, again loops. And now we'll always make 2 and then attach. So that was 1 and this is 2. And then you skip 1 and make a single crochet into the next one. Here. So this is what it looks like at the moment. And now I have 4 more here, which means twice 2 loops and attaching it in the middle there. So stretching and making a loop and straight away another. Skipping 1 and a single crochet into the next one, like that, and 1 more. Now we have 2 and then we skip that one and attach this to the start of our row. So this is what it looks like when we have turned, when we have gone back and forth once. By the way, for a link for these lovely ergonomic hooks, check my video notes. And to continue on from here, we just do always the same thing. So when you turn, you need 3 loops. 1, 2, and 3. And then you turn. And then we always attach it to the single crochet in the middle of the ones where we attached before. So here. And it looks like that there. And then continue 2 loops. One, 2, and then again skipping where we last made the single crochet and putting it in between these 2 loops here. And that's how we continue, always 2 loops that get attached in between 2 loops of the previous row. And then when you come to the end, you need 3 loops for the turning. And like this, you can make lots of different types of projects. And if you want to make a triangle piece, see my other video. It's linked both here as an end screen and also in the video description.